I gave myself 3 extra years in the salon, not because I wasn't working hard, not because I didn't want it bad enough, but because I kept repeating one mistake over and over from the same salon chair. And I didn't even realize it was the thing that was holding me back. Every night after my shift, I'd sit down at the same desk and start building, piecing together funnels, writing email sequences, watching tutorials on tech I barely understood. I'd be up until midnight, sometimes later, convinced that tonight was the night I'd finally crack it. But here's what was actually happening. I was reinventing the wheel every single night. I wasn't growing, I was just busy. My side income stayed pinned near zero, while months turned into years, and I finally did the math and left six figures in potential income on the table, not because I was lazy, but because I was pouring all my energy into the wrong work. Now, here's the lesson, and it's one I wish I had someone that grabbed me by the shoulders and told me 3 years earlier. The mistake wasn't the lack of effort, it was refusing to plug into something already built and proven. I had this story in my head that if I didn't build every piece myself, the funnel, the emails, the tech stack, it wasn't really my business. That belief cost me 3 years of my life in the salon I hated. The real shortcut? Letting a done for you system handle the selling so I can focus on the one thing that actually moves the needle, getting in front of people. That's it. No designing landing pages at midnight, not debugging payment integrations on my lunch break, just driving traffic to something that already converts. The moment I stopped trying to be the builder, the marketer, the tech guy, the closer all at once. That's when things finally moved. By the way, if you want to see the exact done for you system that replaced all those late nights, it's called the turnkey residual income system, and it's at bigresidual.com. You keep 80 cents of every dollar that comes in, and the system handles the selling so you never have to. Links in the description down below.